Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Monster energy drink and a quick taste test, but I'll be honest, I have tasted this one before. This is actually the Zero Ultra, and honestly, it's been one of my favorites for a while for a few different reasons. Number one, I do absolutely love the taste, especially when it's ice cold. It just tastes so much better to me. Also, I love the fact that it's only 10 calories, 6 carbs, and 0 sugars, and it packs a good punch. It packs good energy, and I really like that about the Monster Zero Ultra. So I'm gonna pop it open. I haven't tasted it in probably a few weeks or so here. I love it. Ice cold. I love my beverages ice cold, but 0 sugar, taurine, and then the L-carnitine. And overall, I just really like the taste of this, and it gives me a really good pick-me-up, especially if I get that mid-afternoon kind of lull or crash. I can definitely count on a little bit of Monster Zero Ultra to help get me through that. I love the taste. Good stuff.